right, boys and girls, so here is your January calendar packet. You will be doing this with me today. So if you don't have it, please pause this video and get it for me. We are going to be working in your January calendar packet. We are going to practice a couple of the pages and then we will talk about the actual calendar. So we're going to count by tens today. Let's count it together. 0. You say it with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. If you want to learn new ways to count by tens, starting with 1, 2, 3, or 4, you can do that after this video. And when we do this alone next week, you will do those as well. We're going to count by, and these are another way that you can count by tens, okay, starting at a different number, which is super cool. Let's count by fives. Ready? Count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. Boys and girls, this is where you have to be able to go to, 120. But let's keep going since they have more. 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150. Now we're going to count by twos. Let's do this together. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70. Okay, that's counting by twos. You can do this after we get done with this video. You can do this after we get done with this video. You basically just read it, okay, so that it gives you a practice. And then let's do this together. I like money to buy things at the store. Money, 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 I always want more. A penny's worth 1 cent, a nickel's worth 5, a dime's worth 10 cents, a quarter 25. So it tells you what each one is worth. Penny 1, nickel 5, dime 10, quarter 25. We'll talk a little bit more about money later on in the year. We did this page yesterday, so you should have it done. If you don't, pause this video and do it now. And we looked at the weather yesterday. It was cloudy. Today, when I'm recording this video, the weather is cloudy again. So I'm going to shade in the cloudy. Go ahead and do that too. All right, this was from yesterday. We're going to turn the page one page to the back. And we are going to write the date. Today's date is 1-6-21. Boys and girls, it's so hard for me to remember 21. The year is 2021 now. It's crazy. And the day of the week is Wednesday today. January, trace it. Trace that January. 6th, 2021. We've been in school so yesterday was 89 days, so today is day 90. 90 days. The number word for 90 is N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. Okay, write that for me. Write the number in expanded form. So, whenever we did it yesterday, we wrote 80 plus 9 equals 89. We're going to write 90 plus 0 equals 90. That's our expanded form of the number 90. Okay, in the number 90, are there any hundreds? Are we at 100 yet? Nope, not at 100 yet. When we get to 100 in 10 days, we will have one of these, but we don't have hundreds yet. Tens, so our pretzel sticks that we talked about earlier on in the year, how many pretzel sticks do we have? So we're looking at this number. We have 9 of them. And how many ones do we have, or marshmallows? 0 ones. And look at this. The number is 90. How cool is that? Now we're going to draw it. So we have 9 pretzel sticks and 0 marshmallows. So that's our base 10. That's when we draw it with pretzel sticks and marshmallows. Today's number is odd or even. So even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Wait, did I say that right? Let me make sure. So odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So does it end in 0? Yes, so it's an even number. Even number. Odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, and even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So it's an even number today. Okay, let's do our doubles fact. 6 plus 6 is what? If you know it, write it down. If you don't know your doubles fact, 6 plus 6, let's count it together. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Okay, so if 6 plus 6 is 12, if we add one more, how many is it? 7 plus 6 is 13. We just added one more. All right, our money is 90 cents. And there's a couple different ways we can do this, but let's do it with dimes today. So how many dimes would we need? Dimes are worth 10 cents. And remember, when we draw our dimes, we put a D in the middle, so we know it's a dime. 10, count by tens with me. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 9 tens. 9 dimes, 90 cents. Okay, that is your calendar for today. Please go back and do those first pages that I said to do at the beginning of the video. If you did not do that yet, you will do this one and this one. And if you would like to do your counting by tens in a new way, you can do that as well.